So just right now, what were you seeing that how to install all these operators mentioned in this exercise can be done using that shell script which we have written. Now you can use that shell script, or either you can go and use the web console to install these operators. How? Let's do that. So when you open this web console, you will see there is an administrator and developer section. In the administrator, if you go there, you will be seeing operators. In the operators hub, if you search for that particular operator, for example OpenShift service mesh, service mesh, so you get this. When you click on it and install it, you will be able to see in the developer section, in the topology, section, you will be able to see the how it is shown here in the topology section, right? So here you will be able to see the same thing here also. Now we are talking about that Python 3 is needed for uh, the Chaos toolkit to run. So how to do that? If you don't have Python 3, how will you know that? You have to check like Python 3 hyphen hyphen version. If you type that, if you get error, then you don't have the Python 3 in your system. Then you do sudo yum install Python 3 and hit enter, and it is asking for the password. Then you give the password from here, SSH, then copy that and then paste it here, click install, click enter, and it will be installed. So once it is installing, after it installs fully, then you will be using, these are the steps, right? For installing the Chaos toolkit, these are the steps. We will be creating the virtual environment using the Python 3. So let's do that. Okay, so it is asking for a yes command. You type it yes. When you are installing, if you provide -y, then also it doesn't ask for any prompt. So it is done. So your Python 3 is done. Now you are pasting that command, Python 3 -m virtual environment. You are creating a virtual environment. Now you have to point your target to this source to activate it. Okay, so you are running that command, that is source virtual environment Chaos toolkit activate. So you have activated that Python 3 environment. Now you have to install pip install Chaos toolkit. So you go there and pip install Chaos toolkit, right? Done. When you are done with this, then you will be checking with chaos -- help. If it is not giving any error, then you are okay. Then you have to install Chaos toolkit Kubernetes extension. Why? Because we told na, right, we will be within the Kubernetes and we will be using the Chaos. So we install that extension. So Chaos toolkit has a lot of extensions. Kubernetes is one of them. So we installed Kubernetes. Done. And then after that, what is there? Chaos discover Chaos toolkit Kubernetes. So we'll be running this for creating a discovery service. So now we have to do this. So once that is done, now you have to start killing the pods experiment. Now you have to do the chaos run experiments. Now I will say one more instruction. You please keep open another terminal, and here by clicking this plus icon you will get another terminal. In this terminal you keep creating the fake uh, traffic. So for fake traffic generation you will be using this. So what is this command? If we check minutely, so this is the command for I in this do sleep. It will sleep for 0.5 seconds. So instead of 20 you can do here 200 also. So for 200 times it will be generating fake traffic to your ingress host, so which you have already deployed in your system. So it will keep actually bothering the server. It will keep generating the fake traffic instead of you. It is automation process, so job generating the fake traffic, right? Now if you go here and if you do this start killing operation like chaos run automated test terminate pod.yaml. So when you hit, we will be hitting this one. Like when you hit this chaos run on your terminal and you are you keep generating this fake traffic from another terminal. So you have to go to your this one to your web console, and in the topology section you will be able to see these graphs, Kiali, Jaeger, Grafana. So all these stuffs you have to check that whether these when your chaos is running, these are getting error or not, these are getting unavailable, red or not. And in this list where you see it is written here, Red Hat Elasticsearch, OpenShift, Jaeger, Kiali will be searching in the operator hub section. There you can also put Grafana so that you see the Grafana dashboard, right? So these are the observations. So we told that chaos has three parts: installation, observation, and then the decision, final decision. So based upon the availability on this chaos engineering, if you see that availability is dropping so much, then you can report it back to your developer or you can fix that architecture. So that's all. Best of luck. Happy journey to the availability track. If you face any issue, you can consult with this readme, and also there are a lot of resources to learn, and there will be a quiz to earn a badge after this program. So you can apply for that. All the quiz questions will be coming from this hands-on session. So thank you so much. So let's begin.